The packaging is very simple. It's just a piece of cardboard, but nice thing about it is that it actually comes with all of the different features. So if you're looking to figure out how to use this thing fully correctly, it's actually quite smart packaging. The device itself feels very cheaply made. It's pretty much just a thin plastic. But what it makes up for in build quality, I gotta say, it seriously makes up for it makes it up by being just one of the most useful devices I think I've ever used for trying to fix a Christmas tree. Not only does it have a little bulb tester, a bulb remover, a line tester, and a socket tester, but it also lets you hold some extra bulbs inside the handle. There's also a little fuse tester here so you can see if electricity is running through the wire or not. And it takes some little batteries. So overall, it's a very simple device. But if you're looking to fix your Christmas tree, this is definitely the way to go.